There's a lot of purple. Oh my lord.
What?
What is this?
It's like a squishy banana.
Stretches.
North
Leo, look.
Carolina, come
It's
on,
almost
where
identical.
is it? Have you heard that song?
No.
You're too young. You are too much. I did get a couple more though.
Oh, good. What is?
You lied to me.
No, I did.
You lied.
No. I just found some more, that's all.
Close your eyes. And then,
Are you ready?
yep.
Yeah.
you.
Oh, I got blue.
Okay, I'm opening mine.
Which one?
I want the orange or the yellow one.
I got a lot of purple.
We've
Yes. So many.
Close your eyes. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's really cool, actually.
I want anything other than purple.
Hey!
Oh, it's sticky.
Yeah. The last galaxy of my openings. 3, 2, 1. I got another blue.
I want orange or yellow or glitter. I want red or glitter.
3,
Okay.
2, 1.
Orange.
You want to trade? That was the most unsatisfying thing I've ever seen. Let's go!